Alright guys, going to give you a quick video on how to do your foam rolling with our foam roller that we provide at the office for you here. This foam roller, if you don't own this, just to let you know, we do have these, but it has two foams, one that's in the center and it's a lot softer, the one in the green, or you can use a harder ridged one that's on the outside. When you open your foam roller, you have the option of using either or. I would recommend maybe even using the softer one if you're a beginner, but you also have an insert with some of these exercises on here. I will show you just the ones that I typically recommend. Most people have a lot of tightness in their hamstrings and their glutes, and so you can also do this like on a flat table, but most people don't have a bench like this, so you can do it on the floor. I'm going to just demonstrate it on the table, but you would do it on the floor. So the first one that you want to do is basically a pair of hip flexor stretch foam roller exercises, where you put your foam roller below your hip flexor, and so you put your body weight, so you angle your weight and then roll back and forth. So many people have hip flexors that are really tight, and then you do it on both sides. Most of the time people have hip flexors that are tight on both sides. So again, you're on the floor going back and forth. So that's one. You could also do it on your quad. This is a little hard to do on the harder one. You would use the green one. If you're on your back, you again can get on fully on your back and lift up your glutes, put the roller here, and even just lay on it for a while to get a good stretch in your low back. And then once you're ready, you can then get up on top where your roller is underneath your sacrum, and then just sit on it way on top, and then finding spots within your glutes to roll under. And you typically find some of those tight spots. You can actually then go towards your side and then roll your piriformis. You can roll over and do your IT band and roll back and forth. Again, if the black is too hard, you use the inside, and then you do it on the other side as well. And then lastly, one that we recommend too is on your calves. Most people have neuropathies and just tight calves, so you can roll it over your calf. You can even just go back and forth in this direction. You'll find that the ridge surface may be too hard for you, so again, you can then just use the one in the center. So those are just some tips. Other ones that I have explained in my office of what to do is using a softball or a supernova like this. Again, this may be too hard for people, but a softball or a lacrosse ball is a good one to aim the sciatic pain areas here. Again, you can cross whatever leg you're going to do. So here, like for instance, if you're going to do your right glute, you cross it over, put it under your glute, and then roll your body towards it, and then glide back and forth. And you'll find the spots that are really, really tight. And so it actually hurts a little bit, but it's breaking up the fibrotic tissue. So hopefully those foam roller exercises help. Again, this comes with a instruction manual, and so talk to us if you haven't gotten your foam roller from our office. So hope to see you soon, and get on with your home exercises. Thanks.